leather heels from the 80s. They're very sexy and glamorous, so they're very collectible. And people love them because they're extremely comfortable and well made. So, because they're made with Spanish leather. These are 8.5. They are 4.5-inch heels. Whopping 4.5. They have 3.25 ball measurement. They are let's see, they are 11 inches long, so they're too big for me. Now, as you can see, they give the leg a nice elongated look. They're classic pump. They're very sexy, very 80s, and I think that they're a necessity in one's wardrobe because, you know, you will definitely get a lot of use out of them, and they're classics, so they just go with all kinds of outfits, and they're extremely comfortable. So these are in excellent condition, their toes, their heels, everything. They only have very slight wear on the sole. So, snatch these up because they're extremely hard to find in this condition. Okay? Okay, so Spanish leather heels are very popular and collectible because they're extremely comfortable and well made, and they're very sexy, classic, and glamorous.